Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we'll see how to select different columns in Excel. The layout of the workspace in Excel is in the form of a grid, which consists of rows and columns. Very often when working with Excel, you will need to select a single or multiple columns. If I want to select multiple adjacent columns, I just need to click on the row header and drag it across, and that is selected easily. So that is quite simple. But what happens when I want to select different columns or columns that are not adjacent to each other? So there are two ways of doing this. First, we'll see how to select the entire columns, different columns. So the first thing I do is select the column, the first column that I want. Then holding down the control key, I go and click the next column. So here by clicking on the column header or the letter, I'm able to select the entire column. And now holding down the control key, I can go and select as many different columns as I want. And then of course I can do whatever I need to format them or move them, etc. The second way of doing this is to select only the data within the column. So to do that, I place the cursor at the head of the column, press Control Shift and down arrow. So that selects the only the data in the column. And now if I want to select a different column, I keep the control key held down, go to the next column, again place the cursor at the top cell, and I'm still holding down the control key, press shift and down arrow again. Now I repeat that for however many columns I want, all the time keeping the control key held down. So again, shift down arrow and shift down arrow. And there we have multiple columns selected. These are all different columns and they're non-adjacent. And now whatever operation needs to be done can be done. These are two ways of selecting different columns in Excel. Please read the appended article for further guidance.